Objective number 2. Solve quadratic equations in the complex number system. Example 9. Evaluate a square root of -1. We know that square root of -1 is I. And if we square both sides, we will get I squared equal to -1. So we have been using I squared equal -1 in objective number 1. So in objective number 2, we will use more. -1 square root is I. So the first one, the answer is I. For the second one, I will separate. So -1 times square root of 16. Because we use the formula in algebra, square root of a times b is square root of a times square root of b. This is the product rule in the algebra. Square root of -1 is I, square root of 16 is 4. We can write 4i. Similarly, we will separate the -1 and the positive 8. Square root of -1 is I, and square root of 8 is, we continue to simplify the 8 is 4 and 2. We separate the 4 and the 2, so we get square root of 4 and square root of 2. And then square root of 4 is 2, so we got 2i square root of 2. Example number 10. We want to solve for quadratic equation. We use the square root property. Then x equal plus minus square root of 4 and x equal plus minus 2. In problem B, x equal plus minus square root of -9. When we simplify the square root of a negative number, we will separate a negative and the number positive 9. Just like example number 9 above. Square root of -1 is I, and square root of 9 is 3. We can write the answer as plus minus 3i.